Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. I'm Rebecca if you're new. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be making a homemade snack of caramel cracker bites. These are a sweet and salty caramel flavored cracker. It makes a wonderful little snack to put out for family gatherings, the holidays, maybe bag some up for homemade gifts for somebody, or to bring with you if you're heading over to someone else's house for a party or gathering as well. So let's head to the kitchen and I'll show you how we can quickly and easily put together the caramel cracker bites to make the sweet and salty little snack mix. So while I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees, we're going to prepare our caramel sauce to make our caramel cracker snack mix. So in this Dutch oven, I'm going to heat it to medium-high heat, and to that I'm going to add a cup or 2 sticks of butter. And now we'll let this butter melt. Now that the butter has melted, we can add the rest of the ingredients to make our caramel sauce. So we'll add 1 cup of brown sugar, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now let's stir all of these ingredients together. And we're going to bring this mixture up to a simmer. We're just going to cook this until the caramel sauce starts to thicken a little bit. And this will just take a few minutes to do. What you'll see is the sugars will start to incorporate with this butter and we won't see the 2 distinct layers. We'll get some bubbles throughout the mixture here and it'll start to thicken a little bit. In the meantime, we can get our crackers together. So I have 2 9-ounce bags of oyster crackers. I prefer the larger style cracker, but you can use whichever type of oyster cracker you like. And again, these are 9-ounce bags. Do 2 bags of that. There, so as you can see, the butter has incorporated nicely into the sugar. We're getting a little bit of a thicker type of mixture here. So now our caramel sauce is ready. So I'll turn off the heat and we'll pour this over the crackers that are in this mixing bowl here. Now we'll just toss the crackers with that caramel mixture that we created, that caramel sauce, just to coat all these crackers. The crackers already have some nice salt on them, so we'll get that sweet and salty combination with this mix. Now once all the crackers are nicely coated with our caramel, now what we're going to do is get these onto baking pans. So I have half of the cracker mixture on 1 baking pan with the other half on this pan here, and they are parchment paper lined. And since we did 2 9-ounce packages of oyster crackers, we're doing 2 pans for baking them. There we go. Now we'll bake these crackers with that caramel sauce on top at 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. And every few minutes I'll go through and I'll kind of stir the crackers a bit. What we're looking for is the crackers to bake that caramel sauce into them, and we'll have a nice crispy, sweet and salty caramel cracker snack mix result. So let's get these into the oven to bake. All right, our caramel cracker bites or caramel cracker snack mix has finished baking. It took about 15 minutes to get to this point. And every 5 minutes I went through and I stirred the crackers around in their pans. As you can see, there's no moisture or caramel sauce left on this parchment paper anymore. It's all been absorbed and the crackers are nice and crispy. So what I like to do is cool this cracker mix inside of the pans on a cooling rack, but right away I take it off of the parchment paper. That way the crackers will stay nice and crunchy and crispy. It helps prevent them from getting soggy. So now I'll just allow these to cool completely on the cooling racks, and then we'll have a closer look and a taste of our homemade caramel cracker snack mix. All right, here we have our caramel cracker snack mix. This has a really subtle sweet and cinnamony flavor with that saltiness from the oyster crackers. It's the perfect sweet and salty combination and a nice crunchy little snack mix. This is a great option to have as a snack for family gatherings, perhaps during the holidays, but certainly any time of year. And if you're going somewhere and need something to munch on to bring with you, this might be a nice option if you enjoy that sweet and salty combination. You can also bag this up or put this in little containers and give that as a little homemade gift to someone as well. This was really simple to put together. Just use a few ingredients and it's a nice, sweet little snack mix to enjoy. If you'd like more ideas or inspiration on homemade snacks, I do have a playlist on the topic, as well as a number of other different recipes from meal inspiration to desserts and baking, so be sure to check out those playlists as well. Well, if you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button below and continue to watch my channel, The Home and Homestead, for some more homemade, homegrown, and home style inspiration. Well, I surely hope that you're having a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care.